Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, yazi namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngendaba leka Elon Musk. Elon Musk ubhale tweet le ebhala ukuthi immediate sanctions for Malema and declaration of him as an international criminal. Okusho ukuthi Elon Musk la bafuna ukushushisa uMalema bamthathe njengesigebengu international umhlaba wonke azi ukuthi uyisigebengu. Ngaleso sizathu ke kodwa ke ngithema ngibheka amanye ama tweet mhlawumbe ngizoyifaka la. Wayese ethatha ivideo endala ka Julius Malema la icula khona ingoma lethi Kill the Boer Kill the Farm. Le uJulius Malema abamthatha beAfriforum bamusa enkantolo waluwini case ngokucula leyo ngoma leyo. So wayese efaka ivideo ke leyo lapho uJulius ayicula khona. Ngibone ke istatement esibhalwe iEFF, I think so 2 pages. Ngabona futhi ne video khuluma umunye ubaba uyi-analyst. So into engisoyenza sizofaka lama tweet ka Elon Musk ukukhombisa njengoba ubona nje avela ku screen. Emveni kwalapho sifake ianalyst noma siqale ngestatement angazi kodwa sofake ianalyst bese sigcina ngestatement. Siza ukuthi EFF ithini ngoba ngathi EFF iyayichitha lento show Elon Musk akukho Julius Malema ozodeclarewa as international criminal ngokusho kwe-EFF kodwa sizozwa kwi-statement kahle ukuthi sithini.
Well, Musk certainly believes in freedom of expression, even if he has got no expertise on any matter. He just seems to think that he can speak on anything. And I think he's thriving in this environment currently, Musk. He recognizes the person he's serving, loves chaos, confusion, and then to sound aggressive. And so he has made it a point that every week he's going to say something that gives his boss, Donald Trump, something to be angry about, something to be chaotic about. So he's done a few things already, and now he's played up to Malema, in a sense. And you had the 2-page statement from the EFF. But it's a sideshow. It's a sideshow on the overall other matters that affect South Africa, that's coming from the United States government. And Musk himself, you know, in the US at the moment, he is regarded as, and I'm thinking about my article, he's regarded as a Voldemort character in a sense.
But he's Harry Potter.
Yes. He's regarded as this bad guy to a bad guy. You know, the bad guy of Musk to the bad guy of Trump. Now, we can't get caught up in this. We can't get caught up in this individualized politics that stems from Twitter, for that matter, or X. And it's a pity the EFF responded so quickly to it, because Musk wants that response. It gets him more. It gets more coverage, and we start trying to put out little fires all over the place. We can't ignore what the United States, under possibly the influence of Musk, is doing, but we can't train on Musk. As the American government, they have decided to use one of the richest billionaires, maybe the richest one in the world, to do certain things. It's their task to rein him in.
Mombona lo baba lo le interview beyiku Newsroom Africa izolo. Mombona lo baba lo uyachaza ukuthi Elon Musk usebenzisa lento okuthiwa i-freedom of expression kakhulu noma kuthiwa akana ama-expertise lapho nendaba enje zomthetho ukuthi umuntu ongaze aboshwe akathathwe as a criminal international criminal kusuke kwenze njani kanjani qala phi kephi akanendaba kodwa yena nje ngoba izandla zakhe ziyakwazi ukuthinta i-keyboard ubhala noma yini uphawula noma yini uthi kodwa into eyenza kakhulu lokho ukuthi useva phansi komuntu oyithandayo i-chaos. Yabona nje usho njalo baba lo analyst uthi Donald Trump uyayithanda ichaos akusumuntu umuntu ozwana nokuthula umuntu ozwana nencokozelo uyayithanda ichaos. So njoba bekhona bobabili lapha yabayefana uthi lokho ke into abayenzile America bathatha umuntu oyibillionaire nomuntu onemali bamfake ofisini ukuthi akasebenze no president kodwa abantu base America bona Elon Musk abantu abamthandisisi yena nje abamthazi ngenxa yezinqumo mhlawumbe ayithathayo ne-influence anayo ngoba umuntu ofanayo noTrump bayayithanda ichaos bobabili. So usho njalo baba lo analyst uthi ke into futhi emenza ukuthi abe wese ukuthi EFF irespondile uthi kanti mawuresponda ngathi usukumbasela ukuthi akaqhubeka akhulume kakhulu kunokuthi kube ngcono ilento eshoke lo babo ianalyst ukhuluma ke ngalesimo lesesibhaliwe ngoba asazi mina nginalwazi ngiyenze research ukwazi ukuthi umuntu oregardwa as an international criminal kuqala kuphi kuyephi mhlambe kodwa usebenzisana ukuthi influence anayo Elon Musk mhlambe ingamenza uTrump ukuthi ayibheke indaba kaJulius bazoyenza kanjani manje bathatha ivideo endala la esikhathi ayicula ingoma lethi kill the boy kill the farm kodwa ke wafike waluwina icala la khona enkantolo ngoba phela AfriForum yazihlupha yamusa enkantolo lakhulunywa waluwina uJulius icala so angazi ukuthi ngathiwa bambeka as a criminal international criminal on which basis asazi kodwa manje into esoyenza socaphuna istatement esibhalwe abe EFF sizwe bona ukuthi bathini emveni kwalapho ke bese siyivala video kodwa ngiyacela subscribe kule channel ulike ivideo shiya ukubona kwakho kwi comment section below ungajoina ne membership yale channel iqala nje ku 20 rand ngenyanga nasi statement istatement lesi EFF isikhiphe ngesonto Sunday lomhla ka9 kuFebruary 2025 asizukusifunda ke sizos-highlighta kuphela kodwa babhala ukuthi economic freedom fighters ayimangali ngama declarations enziwe i-owner ye-X ebeyaziwa ngeTwitter iSpaceX iStarlink iTesla manje uyi-director ye-Department of Government Efficiency iDOGE e-United States of America owenza i-declaration ukuthi ufuna ukuthi president we-EFF uJulius Malema declare as an international criminal ithi ke EFF uTrump nje udakwe imali kahle uzicabanga ukuthi ngoba yena unalamali anayo ngaleso sizathu sezoshintsha imithetho noma sekunolwazi onalo noma usemkhulu kwedlula abanye abantu base bethi ke uJulius Malema ube ingxenye ye-struggles for abantu base South Africa so kusuka kudala kusuka emncane esese ANC kuze kuba manje njobe ku EFF bathi akumangazi ukubona ukuthi uJulius Malema bamdeclare as isitha se-global capitalist establishment ngoba i-agenda yabo vele ukuthi abantu abamnyama bacindezeleke kodwa kuprogress bona kuphela ilokho kushiwo i-EFF kwiparagraph okugcina babhala ukuthi EFF nabo bonke abantu abebesejogeni lokucindezelwa amazwe anjenge USA namanye abamsene nawo abamangali futhi abathuki umbona bebizwa ngezitha zamabillionaires la billionaires okuyiwona capture state okuyiwona futhi amanipulate inarrative oshuthi kwenzeka izinto ngenxa yentando yawo EFF ithatha leli thuba lokwazisa uElon Musk nabo bonke abamsene nabo le eUnited States of America kwaIsrael kanye nalabo abasebenzisana nabo la eSouth Africa ukuthi they can go to hell bathi EFF isamile ekuthenini ifuna kube ne-equality nomhlaba ubuyele kubantu base-Africa bathi ke EFF ideclare uElon Musk yezisitha sase-South Africa bathi ke ucapture igovernance yase-USA lokho okuzoyenza ukuthi iwe bathi ke wonke ama-progressive nations okubalwa kuwo iRussia iChina neIndia kanye nawo wonke amazwe ase-Africa abaziqhelelanise futhi bayi-rejecte konke ama-enterprises azokwenziwa u-Elon Musk ezizweni zabo ileso-ke statement ebesikhishwe i-EFF ngiyazi ukuthi asisifundanga sonke kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi amaphuzu okuyiwona abalulekile siwakhavile ngicabanga ukuthi amaphuzu okuyiwona abalulekile siwakhavile ngiyacela ke ukuze umbono wakho ukuthi wena ubona kanjani ukuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba lo olwenziwa Elon Musk mawucabanga izogcina phi lento ngokwakho nje ukubuka kuzogcina kunjani mawucabanga nje kulento eyenzekayo phakathi kaJulius Malema Elon Musk uTrump ngapha iAfriForum kuzogcina kwenzakaleni ngoba phela yonke lento umsusa wayo AfriForum kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi ine backup kaTrump ngoba ukhona le ngiyacabanga yibo laba baphushela manga ukuthi abantu base South Africa amabhunu la eSouth Africa abulawa athathela umhlaba uTrump waziwathi ngcono awathathe abayobagcineza ama refugee le eUnited States. Ilokho nje bengithi angikudlulise ngiyacela ukuza umbono wakho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.